What if I told you there's a hidden DeFi gem massively undervalued, and right now, sitting in the perfect buy zone? I'm talking about a protocol trusted by whales, endorsed by DeFi legends, and already processing billions in trades. Yet most people haven't even realized its potential. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly why Pendle Finance might explode soon, why smart money is accumulating, and exactly how you can position yourself to turn this opportunity into massive profits. Stick around. This video could change your financial future forever. Pendle Finance is changing DeFi forever. It allows you to split yield-bearing tokens into two powerful tools: the principal and future yield. Imagine locking in guaranteed returns during unpredictable market cycles or speculating on yield spikes to multiply your profits. Big players know this. Arthur Hayes himself calls Pendle the future of DeFi. But how exactly does this impact your crypto strategy? Have you ever watched helplessly as opportunities in crypto slipped away because you didn't understand them? Remember that feeling of seeing others make massive gains on tokens you overlooked? Pendle Finance seems to be that opportunity right now. Overlooked, undervalued, and misunderstood by most, but clearly loved by smart money and influential whales. Look at this Pendle chart. After peaking at $7.50, Pendle retraced over 70%, landing around $1.85. See this indicator below? The Heikinashi RSI has hit oversold levels. Historically, this signals the best times to buy. While others panic sold during the pullback, smart money quietly accumulated. Pendle is setting up for a huge reversal, and we might never see these low prices again. Pendle isn't just speculation. It's solving real-world DeFi problems, volatile yields, and unpredictable returns. With over $4.5 billion in TVL and integrations across multiple chains like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base, it's now a cornerstone in DeFi. Pendle's recent Boros update, think yield trading but supercharged with margin, could bridge TradFi yields and crypto, unlocking entirely new markets. But let's pause. Crypto isn't without risks. Competitors might try to catch up, and market volatility can shake weak hands out. Pendle's price is volatile. Yes, we saw a 70% correction, but the fact is the fundamentals kept getting stronger even during the downturn. It's like buying Ethereum back when everyone called it dead at $100. We all know what happened next. Ever felt the regret of missing out on Ethereum, Uniswap, or Aave in the early days? In my opinion, never financial advice, Pendle could be your second chance. Maybe your redemption story, making informed decisions that finally put you ahead of the market. Imagine yourself 2 years from now, looking back and saying, I was there first. I saw the future before everyone else did. Now, let's talk numbers. Pendle is trading around $2.30, down 70% from its peak. Fibonacci levels and technical charts point to clear targets. A rebound to $4 to $5 in the short term, potentially retesting all-time highs around $7.50 in the next bullish wave. I see a $10 to $15 price level in the cards during the next major DeFi run. A realistic but bullish scenario sees Pendle eventually breaking double digits, turning your current investment into massive profits if you position correctly today. Pendle is not paying me to say this, but I have a bag of it, full transparency. So, how many times have you regretted not trusting your instincts? Watching tokens you hesitated on skyrocket while you were sidelined. Pendle is a real project, proven fundamentals, and perfect timing. Don't repeat past mistakes. Imagine your future self looking back, grateful you took action today. Now, if you're serious about finding opportunities like Pendle early, mastering yield strategies, and achieving true crypto independence, I've put everything you need into one clear resource. My ebook, DeFi Financial Freedom, gives you tools to spot undervalued opportunities fast and profit before the crowd. It's only $4.99, less than a fancy latte, to change your financial future. Check the first pinned comment below, grab your copy, and level up your crypto game. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into Pendle Finance. If this helped you see the opportunity clearly, smash that like button, Drop a comment on your thoughts about Pendle below and subscribe for more daily deep insights. Also, don't miss my last video. Click the card on your screen right now. See you tomorrow in the next video, and remember, fortune favors the bold in crypto.